Hey everyone, Lenny here from New Jersey. I just want to give a big shout out to Brent Daniels and the TTP group. I've been wholesaling for a little less than a year and joined the program about a month or so ago. And ever since I joined the TTP group, my whole mentality with wholesaling has been a more proactive approach, which has streamlined and gave me a direction in my business. And the one-on-one attention you get from Brent whenever to help you with whatever you need in wholesaling is second to none. He's there for you and all of his students. So, getting a mentor like Brent and joining Wholesaling Inc., I definitely recommend it. That being said, it led to my first big deal. It was a $50,000 deal, and then after closing costs, I double closed it, and I came out a little over $44,000. I don't know if it would have got done without Brent and his guidance and the TTP group mentality and everybody in it to help and cheer you along the way. For anybody out there considering joining Wholesaling Inc. and getting with Brent and the TTP group, I would definitely say yes. It will kickstart your business. Even if you have wholesaling experience, you'll learn things along the way that will definitely help bring in more deals. So thank you again, Brent, and look forward to closing many more. Take care.